Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going through a powerful full body workout focusing on glutes and chest. Follow along as Emma demonstrates each movement with perfect form, control, and intensity. Let's get started. 1. Barbell Hip Thrust. Emma approaches the station confidently, loads the barbell, and positions herself with her upper back against the bench. She rolls the padded bar over her hips, plants her feet firmly, and braces her core. Driving through her heels, she lifts the bar upward, forming a straight line from shoulders to knees. She pauses at the top, squeezing her glutes with full intensity. Then she lowers the bar slowly, maintaining control and constant tension before flowing into the next repetition. 2. Bulgarian Split Squat. Holding dumbbells, Emma sets up with one foot elevated behind her on the bench and the other firmly planted forward. Her posture stays upright and focused. She lowers herself slowly, bending the front knee until her thigh is nearly parallel to the floor, keeping her balance steady. Pushing through her front heel, she rises back up, squeezing her glute at the top before repeating and switching legs. 3. Romanian Deadlift. Emma stands tall, gripping the barbell with a strong stance. Her shoulders are back, chest lifted, and knees slightly bent. She pushes her hips backward, lowering the bar while keeping it close to her legs. Her spine stays straight as she feels a deep stretch in her hamstrings. Then she drives her hips forward, returning to a full standing position while squeezing her glutes at the top. 4. Cable Kickback. Emma secures the ankle strap and holds the machine for balance. Her standing leg is slightly bent. She extends her working leg straight back against resistance, pausing briefly at full extension to maximize glute contraction. With control, she returns to the start without letting the weights drop, maintaining tension throughout. 5. Dumbbell Step-Up. Holding heavy dumbbells, Emma steps up onto the bench with strong posture. She pushes through her heel, lifting her body completely onto the bench while maintaining balance. Then she steps back down slowly and repeats on the opposite leg. 6. Barbell Bench Press. Emma lies on the bench with proper alignment and grips the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. She lowers the bar slowly toward her chest, keeping her elbows controlled and wrists straight. Then she presses the bar upward smoothly, fully extending her arms while squeezing her chest at the top. 7. Incline Dumbbell Press. With the bench set at an incline, Emma presses the dumbbells upward in a controlled arc above her chest. 8. Push-ups. Emma positions herself in a strong plank with hands slightly wider than shoulder width. She lowers her body slowly, keeping her core tight and back straight. Then she pushes back up powerfully, maintaining perfect form throughout. 9. Pec Deck Fly. Seated upright, Emma brings the handles together in a controlled hugging motion. She squeezes her chest at the center, then slowly opens her arms, maintaining tension without letting the weights slam. 10. Chest Dips. Emma lifts herself onto the dip bars, leaning slightly forward to target her chest. She lowers her body slowly, keeping control and stability. Then she presses back up with power, squeezing at the top before repeating. That's your complete glutes and chest workout. Stay consistent, focus on your form, and push your limits every single session. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment below to let us know which exercise you felt the most.